If you dey with anybody or you dey in the midst of people or any group wey dey make you feel less of yourself, leave that person, that group. You no understand? Leave that person or that group because you are a king on your own. No let anybody come make you feel less of yourself. The day wey you start to dey feel less of yourself, na that day your failure go start. You no understand? Na that day your failure go start. That person wey dey always make you feel like him be superior, like he's always succeeding and you no dey succeed. That person get the person wey put am at the right place at the right time. You no understand? E get person wey put am for the right place at the right time and you dey struggle to put yourself at the right place. So if anybody dey always come make you feel less of yourself, leave that person. You no understand? Leave that person make you no go overdo. You are a king on your own. As you dey struggle to fix yourself at the right place, just be focused. You no understand? And one thing wey dey always make us fail or make people oppress us be say we dey carry our challenges. We dey carry our challenges go tell those people. And if person know your weakness, bro, e no get wetin you wan tell me. That person go wan oppress you all the time. If person know your weakness, he go use that weakness mock you. You no understand? He go use that weakness dey mock you all the time. So you are a king on your own. Always hustle to fix yourself at the right place. Some people get connections wey make them dey where dem dey and they wan use that connection now take make you feel less, feel like you no dey succeed for life. Bro, focus on yourself. Know your worth. Focus on your hustle. No let anybody oppress you. I know say all those things wey dey use oppress you, you wan get am. But you never get the resources to get all those stuff. But if you dey hustle, bro, you no get how you go tell me say you no go get am because every hustler get payday. You no understand? Every hustler get payday. Na just to work smartly. Your own day go come if you continue dey hustle. Now if you no hustle, na all these things go oppress you all the time. You no understand? But if you continue dey hustle, focus on your hustle, put all your attention on your hustle, bro, your payday go come. You no understand?